What's a duck say? Quack quack. What's a lion say? What's the dog say?
What's the kitty say?
Meow.
Oh, it's so cute. What's the elephant say? No.
That's a sheep.
That's more like a sheep.
What's the sheep say? Yeah. Say hi, Josiah. Hi, Saya.
Oh God! So I was trying to go back to sleep
As
this
you
morning,
wish,
and
Saya.
Carl gets out, and all I hear is, "Grandpa!" And that's it.
Yep.
Grandpa.
Yeah, it was the first. I heard a squeak. I woke up at like 8:30, like tiptoed up the stairs trying to make sure that he was okay.
Can I hold that for you? Thank you.
I'm like, oh, nothing. So I go back downstairs, and like half an hour later, I hear a squeak, and I'm like,
Does Dad have to work today?
Can you figure out what's wrong with that for me? Can you get that fixed for me?
is there something in there?
All gone.
What's the damage? Well, you're gonna need a new transmission. Here, I'll put this. Get this back to you here, and thank you, buddy.
Would you like to come up here?
Well, thank you.
No.
No.
Okay.